project last night, so I'm on the way to go pick it up right now. It's just outside of Milwaukee. Real cool Model A. We'll do a little something different with this. I'm going to do our typical flip. Try and build it up a little bit. So make sure you click subscribe. We're going to make a lot more videos through the process of this. A lot of how-tos. So if you click subscribe, you'll get the updates when we post a new video. And you can head over to our website also. We got some sweet merch. It's www.keepitclassicgarage.com. So keep watching, click the subscribe, see some real cool stuff. Oh, here it is. Our 1930 Model A Coupe. Just bought it last night. It's a Canadian Model A, so there's some subtle differences, mainly with some of the hardware. See the inside. It's got the rear shade. It's in really good shape. Super solid. Everything's original on it. I think you guys will be excited to see what we do with this. Not just going to do our normal flip, so take a look at the inside here. The dome light even works on it. Pretty cool. And actually, I mean, if you look at the paint, it's still got a lot of shine to it. Well, that oxidation will come right off like it did on my fingers. Let's start it up and get it loaded on a trailer. So now that we got this thing all nestled in the garage, I had to move some stuff around, put the Roadster in the trailer. But we'll take a better look at the condition of this coupe and show you some of the Canadian features that I've noticed. But motor's original, matches the VIN. The gas tank is really clean. If you look in the, there's just a little bit of crud at the bottom. Typical little leaks, you know. Car probably needs to be rebuilt. The guy put new spark plugs in it. So it fires over and drives just fine. Brakes work great. We'll probably go through those. You know, we'll go through everything on here just to make sure. But we're gonna transform this into a cool little hot rod. You can tell it's a real solid car. I don't know if you can see much of the inside here. It's a little dark, but it actually had the shade in the back too, which was pretty cool. Which it kind of scared me when it popped back. But let's see if I can get it to pull down. Yeah, pretty neat. See if I can get it to go back up. There we go. See, that's why it scared the crap out of me. We just had a ratchet strap on the windshield while we were bringing it back, because it is missing the nuts on here. So I didn't want that banging around, cracking and breaking the whole ride home. But all the typical spots that you would normally have, you know, rust and filler and rot and everything. I mean, I ain't got anything. I mean, even the paint condition, you know, once it's cleaned up a little bit, it's gonna look awesome because it's got some great patina underneath this oxidation. You can kind of see a little bit of it, but it's gonna have such a good look, especially with what we're gonna do to it. So we'll get all that cleaned up. It's gonna have new tires, new wheels. You can go a little bit bigger wheel. And the trunk is really solid. I mean, there ain't a hole, any bit of rot in here at all. So we'll finish this off nice too. I ordered some new tail lights for it yesterday, so those will be coming in a few days, and a couple other little things that we're going to add to it. Still got to find a seat cover, but if you guys want, comment in the comments below and maybe tell us what you would do, you know, if you had a slate like this to work with. I know what we're gonna do, but hell, we might steal your idea. So let us know what you think. Give us a follow on Instagram and Facebook. Our Instagram is at Keeping 'em Classic. Facebook is Keeping 'em Classic 777, or Keeping 'em Classic Garage 777. I apologize. And then you can check out our website. Probably wondering where I got that cool hoodie that I'm always wearing in the videos. And, go on our website and order up one of those. We just got new stickers in. So that's www.keepingemclassicgarage.com. And make sure you click subscribe, so that way you can see this whole build from start to finish. This is episode 1, so click subscribe, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.